Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check a Target gift card balance. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, within Target or Target.com or a physical Target gift card, you will have gotten that gift card and you need two different numbers to be able to redeem that. You need the card number, which is usually a 16-digit number, and then you need also the access number. You can see here is an example card number, and it's a string of different numbers. And then you can see access number, and it's usually a string of 8 numbers. Now, you might have gotten the physical gift card, or you might have gotten an email that says basically, hey, you got a Target gift card for $10, $50, however very much. Now, you can check that several different ways. The first and obvious way that you probably already know is you can bring the physical gift card or the email into a Target store and just go to the customer service desk and just ask them, hey, can you check to see how much more money is left on this? This is especially helpful if maybe you just found a random Target gift card laying around your house or somewhere and you don't know how much is on there, but you don't want to apply it to your account or redeem it. So that's one option, but another option is to just do it purely online. You can either do it online by going to the website here, and you can see by going to this website, make sure it says target.com, and the exact URL is target.com/guest/gift card balance with those little dashes in between them. After you've done that, you can see I can enter in the card number and then the access number. Now, after I've done that, I can hit the check balance. This doesn't necessarily add it to my balance. You'll be able to check it without necessarily redeeming it if you don't want to. However, there's another way to be able to check that balance as well. You'll be able to see I can also call them. So keep in mind, make sure when you're looking this up, all this information is found on target.com, not anywhere else, because you want to make sure that you're not just going to a third-party random website. If you're entering that information in, essentially they're going to steal all of that gift card balance. But you can see you can also call 1-800-544-2943 and essentially give them that card number and the access number, and they'll be able to tell you what that balance is on your gift card. Now, if you have the Target app, you can always open up the app and do it in the app instead. Tap on My Target at the very bottom right, and then you'll be able to see as you scroll down, you can see under payments is gift cards. You can tap on that, and all you need to do is hit Add a gift card. Now, it will usually prompt with the camera, essentially just hold that gift card in front of the camera. It'll take a quick picture of it. Or if you wanted to, you can just enter in manually the card number on here, and then it will ask you for that access number as well. And then it will apply it to your phone or to the app. After you've done that, when you're going ready to check out and you hit cart and check out, as you go through that process, make sure under payment methods, use the gift card instead of the normal debit card or credit card that you typically use. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.